about the recent movie, which is Rewind, played by Marian Rivera and Dingdong Dantes. We will read this story. John and Mary are a couple and have one child. His name is Dos. John is very goal-driven to the point that he can no longer spend so much time with his family. Masaya. Well, Mary is ordinary, but she put it aside for her husband and child. And Dos likes to play the piano, but his father wants him to be a football player, even if he's not good at it. One day, there's a party at their work, and that's the day for the CEO to announce that he will step down from the position and choose a new one to sit in the vacant position. But Gideon was chosen to be the new CEO of the company and not John. And he's shocked at the announcement, he chose to confront the former CEO. And he resigned. Dahil sobrang ma-pride si John. Meron siyang, medyo kasi siya, goal-driven talaga siya. So feeling niya natapakan yung pagkatao niya, hindi siya na-promote. And Mary found out that her husband quit this job. Nalaman ng asawa ni John, which is played by Dingdong, na nag-resign yung asawa nila. At malaking discussion yun dahil sila mag-asawa. Meron silang isang anak. Because he was not promoted, and because of that, doon nag-umpisa lahat yung confrontation nila mag-asawa. Dahil aside from doon sa nag-resign si Dingdong, or si John, sa movie na yun, may nag-send kay Marian o kay Mary na nakikipaghalikan si John kay Gideon, which played by Sue Ramirez. Kung kayo ba, agree ba kayo doon? Kaya kayo, mga babae, na makita niyo yung asawa ninyo na nakikipaghalikan sa ibang babae. And aside from that, di ba aside from that, wala na nga siyang trabaho ng babae pa. Di ba? Dahil doon, ayun yung naging cause ng discussion nila habang nagdadrive sila papunta doon sa event kung saan mag-play ng piano yung kanyang anak. At doon na aksidente silang dalawa at namatay ang kanyang asawa na si Mary. At dahil namatay ang kanyang asawa, nag-inom mag-isa si John. Nag-inom mag-isa si John, nagulat siya na bilang dumating si Lods at binigyan siya ng chance na buhayin ulit ng kanyang asawa. But in exchange, kailangan may mamatay. Kailangan may sakripisyong buhay. Dahil sa bigat ng kapalit, pinag-isipan mabuti ito ni Dingdong, si John, kung yung buhay niya ba yung sacrifice niya. Noong una pa nga si Lods, ang gusto niya ipunin si Dos, ang anak nila. Pero siyempre, bilang tatay, at mayroong realization, hindi siya umagri doon. Kaya yung buhay niya yung mawalin. Doon sa Bumalik sila. At nakabalik na si Dingdong kung kailan nangyari yung aksidente. At doon niya na-realize lahat kung ano yung halaga ng pamilya kaysa sa trabaho. In our objectives, you will learn work-life balance and give so much time with your family or your friends. Kasi mahalaga talaga na meron tayong oras para sa pamilya natin. Hindi yung tayo ng tayo, pero nauubusan naman tayo ng oras sa pamilya natin. O sa kaibigan. And meron akong mga tunan dito sa movie na to. Ayan. Number one, ang natutunan ko dito, learn to prioritize. Mas maganda na alam mo yung priority mo bilang isang manggagawa sa trabaho at bilang asawa, kaibigan, kapatid, anak. And marriage is not just paper. Meron itong sumpaan sa Panginoon. Kailangan may responsibilidad yung marriage contract, hindi lang siya basta-basta papel. And communication is the key. Hindi lang basta key. Kailangan din natin ng communication at comprehension. Kailangan na upunawaan din natin yung katuga. Meron na kayong komunikasyon, hindi nyo naman nauunawaan yung discussion ninyo. And always be appreciative. Always appreciate what you have. Kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, dapat na-appreciate mo. Baka yung And siging mo kasi dito, di ba, masyado siyang may boom talaga siya, na to the point na na-apekto na yung family niya, nagiging sensitive siya. So, isa sa lang ko lang dito, be sensitive, because we have different sensitivity, level of sensitivity. At maikli ang buhay, dapat isis natin yung life and trust God. Amen.
Amen.